Hey Krishna, welcome to my channel Linux Lab. Today I'm going to tell you about the directory management in Linux. So let's start with the video. Who am I? pwd and host name. So I got my detail. Now how to make this directory. So mkdir is a command to create a directory. This command allows you to create one or more directories, and the most common option for these two is one is -p and -v. -p help you to create parent directories in as needed, and -v is a verbose mode that shows the directories as they are created. Okay, now how to write the syntax of it. So it will be like mkdir, then your chosen option, and then your directory name. Okay, so let's try with the practical, then we'll get the idea. And then say first, before creating any directory, I need to check what are those directories available over here. So these are the directories available already. So let me create like mkdir, and let's say directory name is project. Okay, and what is the path for that? This is the path where it is created. Now let's create the multiple directory. Okay, so mkdir, so it is created. So let's check ls-l. You can see t1, t2, t3 are there. The nested directories. How to do that? mkdir, then -p, and we want to create it under home, then server, say e, which I want to create p4. Okay, so now hit enter. So now let's check ls-l. So let's get inside tp is created here, you can see. So let's get inside of that. So cdt, check ls-l. I do that. See, p4 I have created under this t directory, so it is created like this. So that's how it is working. And now we'll do as verbose. Okay, so let's get out of here and clear the screen. pwd, we're here. So verbose will use the command like this. So let's say mkdir, then -p, that is directory will be created like this. So then we'll create like home, then say server, and then say verbose. Okay, so it is giving you the message like mkdir created directory from server verbose. Okay, so let's check ls-l. You can see all these directories are created, and this one also created verbose, right, along with the message it is created. So that's how it is working. So let's move on to the next command here in the screen. Linux does not have dedicated enum command for directories, and instead you can move the command, and it is called move. So syntax, it will be like mv, and then source directory, and then your target directory. Let's try with the example. Okay, let's try with this example. So I'm creating one directory called mkdir old, and another one is new. Okay, so let's check old, new, this created. Okay, here, and now we'll create like mv. So let's check now. So it's renamed, and you can see old is not here now, it is under new, it is moved. So let's check there. Go to cd new, and ls-l. You can see old is here. So now again I'm doing mv, this is my destination. Now get out of here, check again, clear the screen. Now do ls-l once again. So it is here now, right? old and new. So that's how this command is working. Now come to the next part, which is the move and rename the directory in a different path. So we have already done that mv only, that is one part, and second we have done like giving the path. So that's how you can change it. Okay, so that's how it is working. So Linux provides two commands for removing directories. One is rmdir, which is for non-empty ones, and rm-r for non-empty ones. So rmdir will remove the empty directories and rm-r will remove the non-empty directories. And now apart from that we have another one, it is called rm-rf, which will, without prompting you, it will delete the directory. So let's try that. So we are having these directories we have just created. So I'm removing. So first ls-l. So this is the directories I'm going to delete, you can see. So I'm doing rmdir, because these are all empty directories. I'm doing that. If it is not empty, then you have to do other command. So for that I'm doing var, then var1, var1, then var12. Okay, delete it, and check these are gone. From var2, var12 gone. So clear the screen. Once again do ls-l. Now let's first move this to old directory to the new one. Then we will do the same thing. We'll see the changes. So do mv old to new. So it will move to the new. So check ls-l should be not there. So here new should be there. Old is gone now. This is gone because it is moved to here inside of this. So what we will do here, again clearing ls-l. So now I'll do rmdir once again. Try to delete it. It is here new. I'm going to delete it. It cannot remove. Why? Fail to remove. Directory is not empty because I have already put another directory inside of that directory, so that's why it's not empty. So for that I have to remove, for that directory purpose, to remove this one you should use rm-r. Why? Because it is not empty directory, right? So we'll use here. Now to remove this one you have to use rm-r because it is not empty directory, right? So I'll do first ls-l, and then I'm going to delete this one new. So for that I am using rm-r, it is for non-empty directory, and name of that. So now it is deleted. So let's check ls-l. You can see new is gone now. So where is new, right? So that's how we can use this command. Now to force delete some directory, how to do that? So we'll use ls-l first. We have to, let's say I'm going to delete this one, t. Okay, so for t to delete I am using forcefully rm-rf. It will remove forcefully. So just write t. It will not prompt him for deletion. It will be deleted. So do ls-l. Reset. T is gone now. You can see from here. So that's how all these commands are working. Now one more important thing you need to remember, that is some safety tips you need to follow. Now always double check the path before you are going to using this rm-rf command, because especially when you are logged in as root, because it is deleting everything without any prompt. Now considering that you should use ls command before deleting this content of this list of this one, and also try to use the flag I, because it is an inter-to deletion, and also try to use the I flag so that it will be prompting you for deletion and confirming you for deletion. So I mean, like, you have to use this command rm-sri. If I do this and then I give any folder to delete, say t1, so it will prompt you. So you can see it is giving the prompt like remove the directory. You want to remove this while you are especially logged in as root user, because once you have deleted this, it will not come back. So it will be gone. So take a note on it. Second, you need to remember, like, a real life scenario, like suppose you are a developing engineer on a web server. Now you are regularly archive logs, and then renaming deployment of directories, and clear out temporary builds. So these options use like combination of using of MPDIR, AMV, RMDIR you should use. So for that, how to use these commands you should know. So first command I'm going to delete it. Say yes, okay, clearing the screen. So first command in that case I have to use like mkdir, then say -p, then var. Just to show you I'm writing this, I'm not going to create anything. So deploy mains, okay, and then say p version 1.0.0. okay, so it will create the directory first. So that's MP part in MPDIR part. Next I'm going to create it like move it like MV, and then say www.html, just for sake of doing this, the old path, that is source path, and I'm going to give the destination path. So say HTML underscore backup. So like that. So once this is done, these are all combination I'm going to use. So this is the second combination. Third is I'm going to use rm-rf, and then I'm going to use like m. That's how you can use this one. So that's all folks for today. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel, like it, share it, comment it, and don't forget to press the bell button so that whenever I post a new video over here, it get done immediately. Thank you so much for being in the video with your patience. Thank you so much for your love and support. We'll meet with you soon. Another video with another interesting topic of Linux. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.